So, welcome back to this video. I hope y'all are having a great day. I hope you guys are having a better day watching this video.
And I hope you guys go to notifications, click that bell button, and give us a huge thumbs up. Go.
And so today we are going to be showing you guys a fireworks haul. If y'all didn't know, we did jumping jacks out there. So if you guys didn't see that video, make sure you guys go check that out. And we're doing the fireworks haul because it's July 3rd and we don't want to like pop them without showing you guys what we got, and we're getting more tomorrow. And so yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get on with this video. So first thing we got was 3 boxes of snappers. And then we got 3 packages of Roman candles.
And then I got these
2 boxes of sparklers.
2 boxes of sparklers.
Yep. We got was this fountain kind of thing. It's a cone. It's called World Class Cone. So, yeah. And then we have the tank, the normal tank that you get. Well, we normally get like specific things. We have to have them for the 4th, like sparklers, tanks, and like jacks and Roman candles and stuff like that. So.
And I have a ladybug, and it doesn't very look like a ladybug, but yeah.
This actually creates flames, and then it spins around, and then it starts going up.
Yep.
So,
That's pretty cool.
okay, so the next thing we got were some smoke grenades. So they just create a bunch of smoke. Like, this is one of the things that we can like not go with for the 4th of July without. Yeah. And then we have the single parachute. It's like a nighttime firework. I'm not really sure what it does. It says that it shoots flame balls like out of this, so it just flames with balls and stuff. So yeah.
And this is called Killer Bees. It looks like a rocket ship.
There's
But-
bees on the side.
But there's bees on the side. I didn't recognize their bees, but yeah.
Okay, so the next thing we got was this. What is this? A fountain? I think it's a fountain. But it's called Happy Firework. Funny story behind this, my mom, actually, when we got it, she was like, do those shoot up smiley faces? Because there's a bunch of smiley faces on the box. I thought it would too, but yeah, it doesn't. So.
Yeah, that would be.
Okay. Next thing I got was also a fountain. It's a color pearl flower. We got this last one year. I don't remember what this did. It shoots out flaming balls and it has 48 shots. So.
And these are smoke balls, and they shoot out they shoot out they shoot out smoke of the color of the ball. Yeah.
So this is one of the things we normally go. Get. Like, for example, this one's green. It's gonna shoot out green smoke. So
yeah. And for example, this is blue, so it's gonna shoot out blue.
I'm just gonna show.
And this is red, and it's
we
gonna
also
shoot
have
out red.
these jacks.
Okay.
I don't want to waste. Like, this isn't a waste of time, but like, you guys already. Hopefully, you guys already saw that video. So like, these are the jacks and stuff. Okay, so the next thing we got was magical rage. I don't know. Okay, but yeah, so we got this. It's a fountain and it has 100 shots. That's pretty dope. So yeah. It's your turn. Oh yeah. Okay, I got Geronimo. Okay, so this thing shoots out fireworks and then it shoots out a little man with a parachute. Funny story behind this. We actually had this last year and we ran across the highway to get the man. So yeah.
And this is a 40-inch mammoth, and it looks really cool. We'll check it out.
That's also a fountain. Yeah.
Yeah, and we'll check it out, and you guys and my sister will record, and I hope you guys see it. Okay.
The rest of these are fountains. Yeah. So the next thing we got was this access denied. I'm super excited to do this. I am super excited. So, it's called Access Denied. So, yeah. I got Angel Kiss. This is actually noiseless. Fireworks aren't supposed to be noiseless, right? Okay, and it has showers of sparks, so it's just gonna come out the top of what sparks if you guys aren't stupid and don't. Okay, so it's your turn.
And this is called Taste the Rainbow. And
That's also noiseless. Yes.
And this is also noiseless. But I'm pretty sure. Have a good 4th of July.
Thing we have, guys. The next thing we have is Cuckoo. It's also a fountain. This is, but yeah. The next thing I have is this.
We don't know what that is.
I have no freaking clue what this is. The girl just gave it to us for free.
So yeah.
She also gave us the ladybug for free. So shout out to you. Desert at Night. I got this. I got that. She wanted a different one, but we got that one. No, it was like spring or something. But we got Desert at Night. It shoots flaming balls apparently. This one is not noiseless. So it says it emits showers of red, green, and white glittering stars for 10 seconds. Then shoots up red and blue stars each 3 times. So that would be cool. Maybe it goes up in the sky. Maybe.
Hello guys, it's called 7-inch parachute. And we don't know if this is noiseless.
It's not.
It's not noiseless, but it says that something. And it has little air balloons on here.
They're called parachutes.
Parachutes.
But
And yeah, so let's do it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this. What's up, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I hope you guys liked this video.
I hope you guys subscribe to this channel and go watch the video that we
made
before this one. Okay, peace, guys. See you later.
Subscribe.
Bye.